What are your personal roots with the subject of happiness?
It's hard for me. It's hard for me. I'm not a naturally happy person. I'm way below average in happiness. And at least 50% of that is genetic, by the way. So there's a lot of research looking at identical twins. There's a whole database of identical twins born between the mid-1930s and 1960s that were adopted into separate families at birth, then reunited as adults. This was not an experiment that was cooked up by some, diabolical Harvard, social scientist like me. It happened naturally, just over the course of events. And when they were reunited, they were given personality tests. You can see some of these meetings where they were reunited on YouTube, and they're wonderful. They're joyful and funny. You find that you have an identical twin you didn't know about, and finding all these commonalities. But of course, there's always a bunch of social scientists, with clipboards, annoying them like me, taking data. And so the personality tests all showed that between 40 and 80% of your personality is genetic, and the rest is environmental and experiential and circumstantial. But 80%, up to 80%, that's a lot. And that means your openness to experience, your conscientiousness as a person, your extroversion, agreeableness, neuroticism, and happiness is about 50% genetic. Your mother literally made you unhappy, Steve. Or happy. Your results may vary.
Was your household a happy place?
It was a complicated place, but it wasn't